The sound came again. This time it was louder. It wasn't just a thud, it was deliberate, like something heavy being dropped. The basement door was at the back of the kitchen, small and unassuming, as though it didn't want to be noticed. The key turned with a reluctant click, and I swung the door open. A waft of cool, stale air greeted me, carrying the scent of damp earth. The basement stairs were steep, the kind that groaned under your weight. At the bottom, a single bulb hung from the ceiling, casting weak, uneven light over the cluttered area. The room was a maze of cardboard boxes, old furniture, and random knickknacks piled haphazardly